Trending stars.
Today we have a man of many talents. Nde zamatalenti zwakamba yekha kuti amatani chifukwa ineyo zandichepera. But of course this is Trending Star and I am Alinafe Chunga, and today we have Tingo Arts.
Yeah.
Nde mene ndanenera muja kuti umapanga zambiri.
Yeah.
Nde tangozichula. One.
I can start with I'm an artist, a pencil artist. I'm a musician and a content creator.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Artist, content creator, komanso musician.
Yeah.
Yoyimba itu kwa ine ndiya chilendo.
Yeah. Koma kwa anthu omwe anandidziwa before the art thing, I was already Tingo is a musician.
Nde za nyimbo zokupangabe kapena?
I'm still a musician, but
Okay.
then you know that thing needs a lot of work. So I just have to focus on this, then I can come to this.
Okay. Nde za music zilikaiba hodi.
Yeah, it's on hard right
Okay.
now.
Nde ndi umayimba genre yanji?
Hip hop, commercial hip hop.
Commercial hip hop nde iti?
Amaimba nchina Charisma.
Okay.
Yeah, that's commercial hip hop.
Okay. Nyimbo yo ilipo kuti anthu
Yeah.
ma music video.
Yeah, I have two.
Really?
Yeah, I have two. I think I was just young that time when ndinkapanga music, so I wasn't serious. Kumano, I have two music videos. They were even playing on Zodiac as well. I even came here for a
An
music
interview.
interview. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayi mwina ife nthawi mwina kapenda night Diana.
Yeah.
You never
Probably.
know, you never know.
Yeah.
All right, ndemwina tangonduza. Now let's talk about, the content creation thing a little
Yeah.
bit. Tisanapite kuza sketching and everything that we know you about. Tangonduza, now how did you know? Because I think it did not let my video, uli ndi Cardi B,
Yeah.
Nicki Minaj. Tangonduza tisimene just zinamba bwanji.
Okay, it's one of my strategies because like drawing is not entertaining.
Yeah.
You can just go on a page and go like ndikaone art ya Tingo. Then you get bored.
Yeah.
So I thought of why can't I come up with something of which can be more entertaining. Kuti my client akudikira upanga chiganizo they can watch. Like it's more like they have to laugh, then they have to love you. They can't just love you like that.
Yeah.
So I come up with something more fun. Yeah, so I can engage with my fans, my clients, something like that.
Okay.
Koma, I can say it came with most of my talents. They came with the depression thing, because that time I was just depressed. So I was thinking, what can I do? What can I do? So I just came up. Komano, of course, the content creation is now before TikTok.
Yeah.
I remember that time I
Facebook.
was talking to Cristiano Ronaldo and naposta pa status that time kuli Zoika Baojin.
Yeah.
Of course it's still there. Kuma nangoika pa status, then I found myself on Migozi. Ndikapita mbanki, nzakwa Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah. So that's how it started. Kuma ninazasia. Then pomwe nazamba so TikTok itabwera, then I had to put it as like a strategy, right? Yeah.
Kuti ineyo anthu sandiziwe kuti ndine content creator.
Yeah.
Netangonuzo, you have talked about depression a little bit. Kuti
Yeah.
it was also because of depression. Mwina for someone that's struggling kuti apanga ko bwanji ndi depression. Tango apanga encourage kuti mwina there a lot of ways on how we can actually, for you content creation worked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It worked. So as for me, I don't drink, I don't smoke.
Yeah.
I don't even go out.
Yeah.
I'm just that cool person, right? So when depression hits me, I'm facing my battles alone. Day that time, nimakano is about my life. You understand? So nimakano is like, what can I do to kill time, which has to be productive? And most of the times, nimabanga my videos are Doja Cat, Kim Kardashian, talking to them. Nimakano that time, my people have to check on me because that time I'm just thinking, gosh, hey, economy is so hard. So I have to bring up something, then I pause. So in that time, Makodi, my grant is I have to check more videos. Then yeah. Komano, coming back to that question, this Makodi Basi, you have to think, Kodi, what can I do to kill time? At the same time, you have to be more strategic.
Yeah.
Yeah. So content, imabanga kill, like Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now let's get to the sketching part. Tingo, as the person that draws celebrities. Mwina ndiyambe kuti ndisadafike kwenikweni kuti how did it start? Angondeza kuti chomwe chinakupangisa kuti I think akamabwera ma celebrities ako nja kumalawi kuno ndizikhaza kuti ndapanga sketch kena kake ndi chani.
Basi like Nwakodi, I'm just trying my luck. Kuti okay. Like anthu akamabwera, you know, the attention yomwe imabwera ndi ma artist ache mangofuna kuti basi akamabwera pacha ndikuti anthu akamaona kuti kwabwera artist wakuti and I did the drawing ndikuti basi I can get clients and I can meet and put Malawi on map because art drawing is one of the ways yomwe tingayikire Malawi pa map because it doesn't have any language, it doesn't have anything to do with culture or something like that. The pencil, the facial thing, So tiga jambra yonchi jama episode andi pangatag and like recently in jambra huko South Africa now in a Big Brother.
Yeah.
And I have more South Africans following me.
Yeah.
I have more pages like I saw to Nigeria, they posted. I saw to South Africa, they posted. I was like, wow, this is beautiful. So yeah, it's like ndinangoganiza what I think I have to be doing this.
Yeah.
Of course, it's not easy.
Yeah.
But then I have to be doing to put Malawi on map and my brand as well. It has, because I can proudly say I'm international.
Fumbi ndiwe mwini akuti he is international. Ndemwina tangonuza. Now how do you select chithunzi kuti okay kukubwera for example ye mamene amabwera kuti I think kwa zithunzi zake zonsezi chikhale this specific photo.
Yeah, okay. So I interact with people more and also akamabwera munthu ndimampanga study munthu uja kodi munthu uja ndiotani because for instance kunkabwera I think is Shekaina from South Africa, the musician napezoni namujambura chithunzi and on the day she was wearing the same outfit which made it more outstanding. Komano when it comes to choosing my pictures ndimaona kaye kuti munthu uja ndiotani is she more social ndofasa ndiotani because anthu ena mapezori ndochenjeresa, right? So you have to pick a picture which is suiting their character. Yeah, so it's more like nimaona so chithunzi chomwe chili nima like sambiri chomwe amachikonda, you know, anthu samamposta chithunzi chichi. Komanso pamakhala zithunzi zina which is more like more common. Then I choose the other one. It's more like moment to feel it, so yeah. Komano it goes with God's grace. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. So do these people pay? Kabena, you're just doing it out of love.
If you wait for them to pay, then we are killing the brand thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Komano, I can disclose good antena omana libira because mina they like keeping it low
private. Yeah.
Yeah. Komano they have paid. They haven't. When it comes to Malawi kuno, I can proudly say Ellen Joshi paid me. Gave me a ticket for his show, like imagine the Hive
experience.
Yeah. That day I felt like an artist.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm artist and so they have paid. Yeah. Komano Ellen Josh, outstanding.
Shout out to Eli Njuchi.
Yeah.
Apart from Awawa Kunjawa, you have also drawn Agu Malawi and Gabundi too.
Yeah.
Because I think I don't really see Agu Malawi more often, unlike Agu Kunjawa.
That's when we come to the conversation of Malawians in general. Okay? Because when I draw artists of Malawi, I can have 4,000 likes.
Yeah.
Because in the Malawi, Magubanga like. Because now they're Awaso. You see, Komano is different when I draw artists to like South Africa. Because now the South Africans, they just repost, they just show me love. But then when it comes to Malawi, I go like, now Chitachan.
Sanje Kaduka.
I can say what is Sanje. You know, like I've noticed, it's not in Sanje as such.
Yeah.
Komano, as blacks, we have the spirit of supporting someone who is already famous. Someone, because I can't say that I'm famous.
Yeah.
I'm just someone who is talented. Yeah. And trainament is indicated like that. Komano Amalawi, when you are famous, okay, let's say today, the Jambra Cristiano Ronaldo and Wabanga post. Now everyone will be like, our Malawian artist. But then right now, it's just few people who celebrate me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just few. Komano kumalawi kuno ambiri majambula. And also, kuti ndikafika kuti ndampasa wakumalawi uja drawing.
Chinthucho,
Yo,
But
it's easy. Ma celebrity akunja than ma celebrity akumalawi. Because mwina they feel like, oh, this one will get girls, something like that. I just feel like that. It's going to be hard.
Yeah, ma-celebrity athu ziroleleni.
Yeah, it's like when I see my artist akunje, like I go through my
pages
yeah. Like on Instagram, maga. I see Kuzambia, kwambili my artists they support. Even my pages, like my broker, amapanga support kwambili talent. They don't wait for an artist to pay them. They just support.
Yeah.
Randomly, good. Wagud. Kumano kunoko I can see kuti kwa artist to jet. Them passage twos. They'll crop that part. They won't even show that part. You see? Yeah.
Angonesa wakunjayo.
Yeah, angonesa wakunje like, come on, this part was necessary to be there. Komano, I understand they're making money. Komano, what about love? If you push us, the thing will go smoothly and it will make our journey easier. Yeah. All
right. Now, kukubwera Ruga mwambakali kumujambula kavena.
Okay, now it's funny how people just expect me kuti kamabwera artist
umujambula.
Single, you have to. Komano, it's very hectic. It's more stressful because kuduga fikile kuti wabanga like convince and I want to draw him.
Yeah.
And pen episode tabampana my artist, right? Because then they can say, oh, this is working. Then that's what I have to do. So I can say Gudi, I will draw him or not. It's only go to the end.
Okay, guys, I have the confidence Gudi Ruga ajambulina.
Yeah, I might draw him.
You might.
Yeah.
Ababa guys, why never rest na it's 80% ajambulidwa, 20% sajambulidwa. Zinazo, it's up to you. It's up to you. Ndemunangonduza now, how did you find yourself drawing? Zinamba bwanji. Is it something choguru unaphuzilota kulagale kapena ntiyokuti kujambula kona mboli wang'ono?
Actually, nambo jambula ndi mwana. Komano I can say ordinary talent because Nthawi yaife, I'm saying Nthawi yaife because they're not cool. I might just look young, but then they're not cool. Nthawi yaife, kumakawari, I remember ndingapoza, okay, kwa anthu ndimana mwa nali ukamuzo akada me bambino, right? Kwa nali kuli boys primary. I remember ndagwira kuzipalo because of drawing.
Oh.
Yeah, because timakonda kuti at that time tine mu anthu angapo ndithu oti timajambo, right? Who were interested. Because I can't say it was art.
Yeah.
Kumano we were just interested in art. I remember ndagwira kuzipalo, yo. Yes.
Magolo kumakudziwa kapena onera pompa.
Magolo sama kasa kunena, iwe, usamango jambo. You know how we go back kunyumba? I was muziwerenga. Ikakwana 7 to 8 muwerenga. And I was there drawing. And my brother was busy kuwerenga. They don't know maybe. But then now they know. Yeah, Gomano, coming back to the question, namba ndili mwana. I remember that time timajambra anjina Spider-Man jani. Yeah, I remember this other time naza isirago also jambra around Form 1, Form 2, Form 3 because anthu akafuna so kujambula like midima anjina biology
majambula ndi.
Yeah, anthu amazandipeza actually ndora ndipasa mandasi andipasa jani. Yeah, the jambulire. Yeah, kumano as I said, I'm also doing music. So kusekwandale, udoro kusekwandale, ushashi. Music. When everyone was like, hey, Tiko. That was just life to me. Yeah, so I had to take a break from 2013 because kujambula this number 2020. Tungoti the COVID.
Yeah. Okay.
Ndio mnamba kujambula.
Ndemunatangonduza zokuti how have you perfected your skill kuyambira 2020 kuzafika pano pa 2026?
It's just hard work and dedication and God's grace.
Yeah.
Because if you go back and see my drawings in 2020, the funny story is because I draw every day. Every day. and omwe ali ndi namba ine, they see what I post, even usiku. I post kuti they should see, kuti hey, you see I'm working now,
Yeah.
So I work night and day. So every day I was drawing, because number 2020, 2020, papa ndo jambula everywhere. So I agree, my drawings are in nyasa. Ish, nde naze jambula na madingo, You know how na madingo are big. So namo jambula. People, the comments, he didn't tag me, but then the people who knew good it was me who drew. Ish. Najitisa manyanzi ntondo wanga. Ish, people can talk. Nati, I think you're a prophet. Because wamo jambula na madingo atakula. I can see kusogolo. I'm sure that time AI is an way people could say in AI. Because that time namu jambula ndio na madingo ya kuoneka ngati wakalamba watani. Yeah, kumano it has been a great journey, I can say. It's about working hard, believing in yourself.
Yeah.
Because if there is someone who believes in himself, like it's me, man, I believe in myself. Because there are so many risks I took, like so many decisions I made for this art. Yeah, so I can say it's dedication. It's about, I don't usually check on other people's art, like more especially Agumalawi.
Yeah.
Because I realized that art is different with other talents, like my categories. Because if you find yourself in a competition zone, there and trainer, you lose yourself. Because you have to find yourself, okay, Tingo art. Because someone can just look at a drawing, can tell this is Tingo art. There are some things I just put in those arts, which I can say here. Just looking at it, you will see what anabanga Tingo art. More like momezili zitu zama photographers. You can just say, I think ana jambura dogu. Ana jambura dogu. So I can go and check my photographer, even my musician. You can tell what imba in dogu without kumva kuti dzina like. So like I've perfected it. Kuti more like blending. Kuti everyone has to know kuti
this type of drawing.
This is Tingo art. The type of frames I choose, they're the same. They're the same. Like English. They're the same. Like from 2022. Of course, umakhala and trainer kuti akuzaona kuti Tingo art anaza pangaizi. Kumano, if you look at from 2022, when I discovered where to buy frames, the whole art thing is just the same. So perfecting has been there. It has been good, and where I'm going is just
on point.
Perfect.
Trending stars.
Okay, nde watuzawo kuti when you first drew na madingo, unanyozetsa mtundu wako. Nde mwina tangu nduzezo kuti kuyambira 2020 yomwe unayamba like taking it serious as a profession kuzafika 2026. Mwina tangu nduzezo kuti drawing yomwe iweyo umati ukaiona kuti koma drawing iyi nde ndinapha unajambula ndani.
Ndambi kufika lero ndambi.
Mwina tangu nduichulira ku 5. Amene umaona zokuti ndambiri koma iyi top 5 iyi ndio kuti unachapa.
Okay, so that would be like more like Antwena and Wapwe started drawing our cinema. Kumano, we have to look at art. If we look at art, it depends because Kokabula client, Agandibe Saudi Dufuna Jitwas Tingo, can you make a portrait for me? I go like, okay, send pictures. I prefer they should send their best pictures. The pictures where they are looking nice, they're looking all cute. So Mwina let's say anapanga makeup because it all goes together with the pencils, you understand? So I can say chituzi chomwe chimandwaza and chomwe anthu ndimati ndikaposta cha Teresa Pondo. It's just perfect.
Perfection at its core.
Yeah, it's how you just saw Mazbangira carry. Like the makeup thing. She's a superstar. She's going out there as a superstar. So when I had to choose the picture, it was just going so perfect. So I can say for now, that one. And Jominamu Jambura, the one, the big brother,
Liema,
Liema. There's just so many. I can just say, I'm so good. to have
He
so
is good
many.
nakaloti fumbi ndiwe mwini.
Yeah, you know, like chomwe ndinazindikire ukati uzitengereza paipo ukuzipitiso business hayi ozichepesa ozikweza zamusisa business ziyenda. I've realized that being humble,
Yeah.
you have to tell people I'm the best, and they have to know my money is going to someone who is the best. So when you go like ndizichepese, there was a year I was so humble. I was like, being humble won't work with business. So yeah, I can say if someone comes to me, they'll get the best. Yeah, it doesn't matter whether they come a day, I'm not saying whether they should come.
Alright, nde mwina anthu timadandaula kuti art is very expensive.
Yeah.
Kuti mwina ndinene apapo kuti ata ndijambulira chithunzi this size
Yeah.
kumva mtengo anthu amata kungojambulako mwina atangotiza
Yafika
kuti
konseko.
yafika konseko. Why is art that expensive?
Okay, it's unfortunate what in sinapitire in class. I could have been here telling people why is that expensive, why is this? It's inborn thing. So in the background and saying, okay, why is that expensive? One, Makodi, it's not a machine working on it. It's Nshito Manja, right? So muntu watenga nthawi yake perfecting, because inendika jambula is the same person. Because I remember sometime muntu ankane kuti ndimapanga photocopy. How? So art is expensive because muntu jawana makaro ikapo nthawi. You understand? You have to be more like reasoning, more creative. Good, okay, muntu, and it comes with we have less resources, and I have to come up with an idea. Ndipange bwanji kuti muntu abwere exactly. So that makes the whole thing expensive. And also, when you look at it, ngati kunja kuja, it's how people keep their fortune. So it can be that less expensive. So it comes with, I can say, the creativity. Because even when you have drawing nyumba mwako, people will assume you have millions.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's something which is classy. And I remember someone told me with the business, and that time I didn't know what these things can be expensive. I remember charging 5,000 a draw. And he was telling me, how? But then as I was going, I started understanding. Of course, now this is not that expensive. And I can tell people they should come now before it gets expensive. Because I think it adds up when you find your market, your people. Let's say you find Azungo Ajajan. Now that's when it gets more expensive. Yeah. Komano it deals with the class, a lot of things, the creativity,
Materials as well, on the other hand.
Yeah, materials. Komano kumala kuna can say we have materials odula. Unless you are buying from outside.
Yeah. Koma ngati kuli konkuno, they are very much affordable.
They are affordable. When I can say I'm dedicated to the art thing,
Yeah.
I don't see them expensive because I know they'll give back. Yeah. Komano, yeah, I still more a pencil for 5, just a pencil. I remember Ilaba, at Ilaba 21,000, just a laba small like this. I'm like, if for the Mavuro uncle or what? Things I just say. I think I have to go back. Things are expensive.
So you draw using just pencils?
Yeah, pencil. I can also paint.
Oh, so you can also paint?
Yeah, I remember Tinabanga painting Matse. The one which and 2000 the time because it was the time my page and Banka post because like of the legacy of my Matse now, right? Yeah, I do painting. Tingori I can do anything.
Anything
which is
art.
Talent.
Talent.
I remember I was even doing photo body one. But then those things, I don't like panoba cinema gonda sompira. I don't like zintu zoti pamabero bage ndi kumodwa. No. And whenever mango na my status people are posting about photo, I'm like, Yeah.
But next, mwinaone jambula.
Yeah, me, I'm just going into
Yeah.
entertainment. Let me see who is coming, who is going. Yeah.
Okay. Nde
Yeah.
mwina tangondoza kuti kodi kumeneku kuzojambula kuli ndalama ndithu moti muthu ndipanga inspire kuti ndisiye zomwe ndopangazi ndikambe kujambula.
I can say with it's all about connections. It's all about connections. It's all about how you believe in God, how you work so hard. There is money. There is money. Money is there. I can say money is there. I'm making millions. But then I just believe money is there.
Yeah.
Because it's all about the more you put yourself out there. If people can see you, I get my organization, I'm on the base out, we want you to make a portrait for me. I remember I did a portrait for the president, the former president. That's when I was even shocked. I was like, maybe this one is a scam or someone is trying to prank me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can say there is money. If you work hard, if you don't give up, because there are so many days I should have thought of giving up. So if you don't give up, if you put yourself in there, there is money. And so some days I can just feel like, money. I just wake up feeling like how you can have that. You know how when you eat, like when you see someone eating mango, right? You just feel something. Yeah, that's the feeling I'm having nowadays. I just feel like money is coming. Yeah.
Money, colleagues, money shall come.
I can tell people, who is the camera? Where I can face it.
This camera right there.
Money is in there. Like there is money in art. Trust me. And if there are people out there who are trying this thing, I can keep. Money is there. Just work hard. Komano is not all days you can have clients, all day you can what. Komano, I just believe when I see out there and for how they're making money, money is there. And money has always been there around art.
Yeah.
Kungoti kumala kuno ndikomwe imakhanga dati anthu amatipwekesa, right? Komano, if you go out there, kuona anthu ojambula, they can buy it into $1 million. Art, it has money.
Art has money. What are some of the challenges that you have faced in your journey as jambulas, if there are any? Since you're self-taught, of course.
Yeah, self-taught. Being a Malawian and being an artist, I shall faced a lot. Right now, I just feel like I have personal beef with Kwachamwe. Like, you know how I just started staying alone in Skwaja, thought of going down.
Yeah.
And everything started being expensive. Like, because it's my turn. And because it's my turn that I'm starting making money now.
Things decide to go up.
I want to flex. One, lack of support. That's the biggest challenge. Like, people would just watch your thing and just go. Because you see, when someone tells you, this is beautiful, people just don't know how it makes me feel. More like a fuel, right? But it fuels you like going towards support from like Anthu Akulu. Because when I see Kunja Kumakama artist story, they can just see kuti muntu uja wapanga portrait kaya muntu wina, but then they still post. You know, when the people see the thing, then me, I'm getting clients, you see. So there are challenges there, like lack of support, my gesi, you see, because I work night and day, right? Yeah. So ubeze go to masana aje magesi azima. I have to, because jama jambura jama ona pa reference pa phone, you have to zoom, you have to what? Magesi azima, phone down. Madzulo, okay, night shift, let me work, magesi azima. Huh? How am I gonna survive? Even like, yeah, maybe. Now it goes back to how the finance is working in Malawi. It's just, things are just getting expensive. Like, I remember my frame, they were just affordable. Ndera artist to Jagamabwela, I could buy by myself without thinking twice. But then now, on a frame, I choose A2. It's just expensive. And you think, is it even wise? I shouldn't eat, but then I should draw. No. So when you look, the whole thing is just, yeah, so it's about lack of support, things getting expensive, like even also the way we send my drawings, right? Always they're telling you, we can send you into your grass. Chisweka. So you can consider us. So there are so many problems. You can also go like, until they can believe in you. Okay, you're doing this. I remember that time when I told like people, okay, because I had to drop out of school to focus on art. I had to choose this thing, like this thing will be my thing. People were doubting, like people were talking, like downgrading me now. How could you choose art? This is Malawi. You can't even survive with art. But then I had to believe in myself. So the challenges are there. Like people can just look at you and tell you, this is Malawi. You can't go anywhere. But then, like that's how you kill someone's dreams.
Yeah.
Like I also am a part of challenges because you just believing in someone. People believe supporting you have to give someone money. No, believing in someone is also part of support. So, and even people throwing shades on you like hate, like hey, what did I do to you? So yeah, challenges are many. Like like Komano, I appreciate when people like TV stations like you invite us to put out like ourselves out there. It's also part of support. So we like that support. My media, even my podcast, you call them my podcast.
Yeah, my podcast.
Yeah, like those people, I've never seen someone calling an artist to be there. Like it's more like people value music, football, acting as art. Komano, what about my artists? They are killing dreams. So I can say the Malawi in general, we are failing my artists. Because the day I'll see an artist being considered as an artist, and also we go back to the same thing. I've gone kukabeleka my portrait and my celebrities, and I've been treated like a nobody there. Because they don't know me, Antwama and the social media, right? Kumano Antwaja, the way they treated, sometimes they treat you like, you ain't the artist, what? You see, Kumano, a musician passes there, they go like, what? So it's more like people look down on an artist, like we don't even matter. So I'm looking towards to the day people will go like, an artist is big, and
Okay, all right. And then as we're going towards the end, how long does it take you ujambule portrait?
It depends with the vibe.
Yeah.
It depends with the vibe. I can draw 24 hours, drawing your Moina Jambra 3 days. Yeah, it depends with simplicity, how I'm feeling the vibe, because drawing is spiritual, You're the inborn thing, is spiritual. So the vibe I have, commercial, like the quality of the picture, and also, working on with the pressure. Yeah, so I don't have the specific time.
So the quickest is 24 hours.
24 hours. I can also do even 5 hours. It's just
5 hours?
Yeah, because when tufuna ja graduation, tufuna mawa, dunyamuga, so Komano, they have to pay extra for that. Yeah.
Express.
Express. Yeah.
All right. Then tango mpange encourage wina wage. Amena majambula kuma kuzika ikira. Just like you said, could people weigh you down? Could zikupitisani and stuff like that?
Yeah, I can just tell or someone who is into art or entertainment or anywhere, like just work hard, believe in yourself, everything is possible. If someone did it, you can also do it. So yeah, I can just say, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, work hard, don't listen, and don't look at what someone is doing.
Yeah.
Just believe in you, put in your own strategies. Because if you say, I want to do what Tingo Ad
does. Yeah.
you'll fail. Because you don't know what I go through. You won't even achieve because you don't know what I do within the figure. So just believe in yourself, put in your own strategies and your own ethics. Good, okay, I have to do this, I have to do that. Yeah. So just believe in yourself. Yeah.
All right, I would believe in yourself, command. So let us start, treating my artists ngati mene momwe timapangira oimba, obanga mafilimu, ndi ena onse amene ali in the other, departments. Majani, the entertainment sector. And ndakamapereka portrait. Sazamveso kuti mwampanga treat mwina mwake. I mean, it's even sad because it's us Malawians.
Yeah.
Kudzichinga tokha kuti yayi musabange rich. Pamene obwelawo they are always, willing kuti yayi, let me talk to this person, let me get that portrait and stuff like that.
And to go, like, if you check, it's the only thing which and to Madistanga Denge and they remember us.
Yeah.
Because they can take something which is a drink, they'll drink
that.
Komano something which is art, they go like, oh,
I received this when I went to Malawi.
Yeah, someone did Malawi, after 5 years, 20 years.
Yeah.
So Malawi will be out there, the brand will be out there, and I believe the Malawians will be proud with, we have someone out there. So yeah.
All right, guys, and this was Trending Star, and today we had Tingo Art. Of course, ndimu gwenyabe kuti neyo sana ndibwetsere portrait kwajani kapena mwine fikaje ori sine wakunja. But let us meet again in the next episode of Trending Star.
Yeah.
Trending Stars.